If you ever need to share your X profile quickly, the easiest way is to copy your profile link directly from the website. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step on desktop so you can grab your X profile URL in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and social media tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log in to your X account. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar on the X website. You'll see different menu options there, and you want to click on Profile. This will take you straight to your public profile page. Now that your profile page is open, look at the top of your browser where the address bar is located. The address bar shows the full web link for the page you're currently viewing. Since you're on your profile page, this is your X profile link. Click once inside the address bar so the entire URL is highlighted. If it doesn't highlight automatically, you can drag across the link or use your keyboard shortcut to select it. Then press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy the link. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command C instead. After that, your X profile link is copied and ready to paste wherever you need it. You can send it in a message, add it to your bio, share it with clients, or use it in your content and social media profiles. If you want to double check, you can also paste it into a Notes app or text field using Ctrl V on Windows or Command V on Mac. That lets you confirm the link copied correctly before you share it, and that's all there is to it. To copy your X profile link, just go to your profile page, click the browser address bar, and copy the URL. It's a fast and simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.